Behind every certified product is a manufacturing system that has been independently verified. At HAPLAST, this TÜV Austria certification is part of a broader commitment to internationally recognized quality, sustainability, and manufacturing standards. But certifications are only meaningful when they're supported by real production capabilities, consistent quality control, and day-to-day manufacturing practices. Every certified product begins with carefully selected materials, controlled production processes, and quality inspections throughout manufacturing. For our HAPBio compostable product line, this certification demonstrates compliance with internationally recognized industrial compostability requirements. For buyers, certification reduces uncertainty. It provides documented evidence that products have been assessed against established international criteria. Combined with HAPLAST's manufacturing experience and export capabilities, certified packaging helps customers source with greater confidence for global markets. Looking for certified compostable packaging from an experienced manufacturer? We'd be happy to share more about our products and certifications.